and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today is going to be a quick one. I promised that I was going to film an unboxing and reveal and all the good stuff about the limited edition Dior Beauty Rouge Dior Minaudière. I think that's what it's pronounced. It's basically part of their holiday collection. And if you're into luxury, I'm sure you will have seen some of these pop up on Instagram and stuff already. But I thought it's still new-ish enough for me to film an unboxing and show you what the case came with and also how you can wear it as a mini or micro handbag. Oh, and by the way, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Wednesday, or I try to. I've been a little short on time when it comes to filming recently, thanks to work, but I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. And if you love luxury and shopping, mostly handbags, but also the occasional beauty related stuff and everything in between, I would really appreciate it if you could consider subscribing. Also thumb up this video and I guess hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Anyway, moving on to the Minaudière. It's basically a metal clutch that's super intricately designed, and I gotta say, I mean, let's face it, I paid 200 euros for something that's not really serving a purpose per se, but I'm really impressed with the quality. It feels very high quality, very weighty. The clutch definitely has some weight to it. And obviously it does come with 4 lipsticks. That is one full packaging size one and 3 smaller ones. I mean, they're still full size, but they come in these like smaller bullets, and I'm going to show that later in the video. You can actually exchange them. So any of the bullets can be turned into the pretty packaging lipstick one basically. And the main reason why I purchased it, and also I think a lot of people purchased it, is the fact that the lipstick clutch does come with a metal chain, so you can actually wear it as a handbag or a micro handbag. I guess it doesn't fit that much. I'm going to show you what fits inside towards the end of the video. But first, let's take a look at the lipsticks themselves. I decided to not show you swatches. I'm sure you will find some online because I'm actually not sure if I'm going to even use the lipsticks or go a similar route as the previous years, because as some of you may know, this is definitely not the first year that Dior has taken advantage of us loving pretty packaging for their holiday sets. So I'm going to show you towards the end of the video. I do have 2 more of those lipstick clutches. I think the 2017 and the 2018 one, if I'm not mistaken. They were a little different in size and style, but they also came with a number of lipsticks, and to offset the cost of those sets, I actually sold the lipsticks, and that's actually something I'm considering doing with these as well. And unless I am 100% certain that I'm gonna keep the lipsticks, I decided to not use them yet, because obviously to be hygienic and stuff, but I tried to capture the color of the lipsticks, and as I said, I'm sure you'll be able to find swatches online. And this is the way you can exchange the smaller bullets into the lipstick holder. Super easy. And if there's one thing, apart from the price obviously, that I'm not that much of a fan of, is the fact that when you detach the separate cylindrical lipstick thing on the right hand side of the clutch, you're actually not able to wear the square thing on its own as a handbag, because the D-ring, or like the attachment for the chain, is on the lipstick part. So if you detach it, there's nothing you can attach the second part of the chain to. I hope I'm making sense. Kind of a shame, but at the end of the day, if you want to wear it as a clutch, just leave the lipstick part on the right hand side on and you're good to go. Now to quickly show you what fits inside, because you can wear it as a micro bag. It does not fit a full-sized phone, unfortunately, although I'm not too sure about these new-ish flip phones, I guess, those smartphones that you can basically fold in half, because half the size of a small smartphone might be able to fit inside the clutch, but don't quote me on that. I don't know anything about these flip phones basically. Do your research and take your measurements, but maybe it will fit. A regular size iPhone, no chance. But other than that, I mean, ID and credit card, debit card, what have you, definitely fits inside. Even AirPods, they fit inside the clutch perfectly fine. Band-aids, headache medicine, cash, and you're good to go. Yeah, that's what fits inside. I hope that was helpful. Anyway, as I mentioned, the past year's Christmas or holiday collections, this is what they looked like over the last couple of years. As I said, I think the first time they came out with a lipstick set that a lot of people purchased more so for the packaging than the lipsticks themselves was 2017. That's the one with the plain silver colored Dior writing on the front. And obviously these are a lot bigger. They did come with more lipsticks and they were a little cheaper. You're easily able to fit a full-sized phone in there. But yeah, I mean, I still appreciate that they came up with a different idea and yeah, gave us a different design, because I mean, as I said, 2017 was the first time that they came out with one of these, and although they changed up the design, if I had purchased every single holiday one that they came out with since they started doing them, I would own 4 at this point, and yeah, that just doesn't make sense. 2 is enough already. Anyway, so that was the design over the last couple of years, and I'm really happy that they came up with a different idea. And yeah, obviously it's a lot of money to be spent on basically packaging, but as I said, I'm really impressed and pleased with the quality. The clutch feels well made and it does have some weight to it, which yeah, adds to the overall feel of the bag. And yeah, let me know what you think. If you have any additional questions, feel free to pop them in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Again, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. I'm doing my best to get back into regular filming and posting. It's been a little much at work recently, but I'm sure that's not just me. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your week, and until next time, bye.